Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you another free antivirus program to install onto your Windows computer that will protect you from any nasty viruses. If you watched my last video and you do not like AVG, then this is definitely a fantastic alternative. And this is Avast. It is totally free to download and install onto your computer. All you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on free download and you now need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we now need to run the setup file and you now need to decide if you want to install the Avast secure browser. I don't actually want to install this, so I'm going to untick this option. You now need to click on customize and just make sure you are happy with all the protection that is provided here. I am totally happy with all that and I am going to now hit install. Also, just make sure you're happy with the destination of where you're going to install Avast to. I do always recommend you install it onto your main drive which has Windows, which is my C drive. I'm now going to hit install. And it will now say in the bottom right hand corner, it is currently installing Avast. Once the install has finished, you now need to press continue. And you now need to press continue again. And we now need to click no, I don't want to protect my Android phone. Unless you do want to, of course, then put in your email address and press send. You now need to press continue free. And there we go. As you can see, my computer is now 100% protected by Avast free antivirus. Like I said at the start, this is a fantastic free antivirus program and I do highly recommend it. For those that especially did not like the AVG antivirus, this is a really good alternative. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it did, all you need to do is click on the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.